doesn't feel worth living. I need my head to be in the clouds. I'm gonna get my fix tonight. I'm gonna wake up with a stranger who knows where I'll be tonight. I just wanna be left a party, so I'll be leaving home early. No one's gonna be able to stop me. I'm gonna go get my freak on. I just wanna get to the party. I'm gonna be all night, oh baby. I'm gonna be back to say I'm sorry and to promise that I'll change. This is the party anthem for party animals, for the ones who did too much drugs and can't move on. This is the party anthem for party animals, for the ones who dropped out of school and can't move on. I'm beginning to lose my cool. I'm sweating bullets now. My heart's never raced as fast before. It feels like it will explode. My mind feels so out of balance, with my vision failing me. It's getting a little bit harder to breathe. What happened to all my friends? I just wanna go back at home now, back to the place where I feel safe and sound. I'm feeling a little lost in this crowd. Why won't anybody come help me? I'm starting to feel a lot more helpless. My anxiety keeps on increasing. The booze and drugs are no longer working. I'm drowning in my own misery. This is the party anthem for party animals, for the ones trying to change